Ministry of Interior through chiefs and sub-chiefs to ensure that all children report back to school next month. According to the head of state, the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, has developed specific protocols and guidelines to facilitate the reopening of schools amid COVID-19. Zainab Muhammad with the details.
Skepticism has been rife that schools may not be ready to receive all learners in January. Many parents have also expressed doubt about the anti-COVID-19 measures put in place in readiness for the grand reopening of schools. Well, for anyone with the thought of not sending their children to school in January, shelve them for now, as President Uhuru Kenyatta has affirmed that school reopening plans shall go on as planned.
We remain on course for the resumption of learning in all classes effective the 4th of January 2021, with the safety of our young learners being our top priority.
The head of state even directing the Ministry of Interior through chiefs and sub-chiefs to ensure that all children report back to school next month.
The Ministry of Education shall receive reports from all primary and secondary schools in Kenya, regardless of the system of education they deliver, on the identity and details of any child or children who have not reported back to school as directed.
Uhuru further directing the Ministry of Education to reissue and publicize the education policy on school re-entry to facilitate the readmission of all learners, including those who are pregnant.
And that the Ministry of Education shall reissue and publicize the education policy on school re-entry so as to facilitate the readmission of all of those who may not be able to report due to pregnancy.
On COVID-19 in schools, President Uhuru Kenyatta has reassured parents and students that the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health, has developed specific protocols and guidelines to facilitate the reopening of schools amid COVID-19. Social distancing in school is the biggest concern for many parents and learners. So far, several teachers have died from COVID-19, hundreds of learners have been infected, and several schools closed indefinitely since they faced reopening of schools in October. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.